something inside. I hear something inside. I hope it's not broken. Guys, that is my birthday gift from A-Main. Look at that beauty. Serpent SRX8 GT. Let's go. Before I keep going, I gotta give a big shout out to Hybrid. I saw a video of Hybrid and he recommended this car. So if Hybrid recommended, I'll buy it. A Nitro gang, baby. Guys, I got super nervous for a second because look at this. That's definitely not what I wanted. It's scaring me, but hold on. On this side of the box, it's got the nitro engine. All right, let's open it up. This is a quick unboxing. Nothing crazy, quick unboxing. It's got this little thing over there, but I can hear it somewhere inside there. What this is, probably one of the cutouts, I'm not sure. Let's throw this on the side for now. This goes over there. Boom. We got the instructions, still looks beautiful. We got these things over here. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna figure it out later. All right. All right. It's very, very light. Serpent. Just place that remote on the side. Let me get this card here. This is the little piece that holds the wing together. Just place it over here for now. Here it is, guys. This is the Serpent SRX8 GT, ready to run. This thing looks awesome. On-road nitro, baby. Let's go, nitro gang. Let's get that body off. Guys, this thing was crazy. This thing was crazy. Look how beautiful this thing looks. I like the tires. Oh, they feel nice too. We got the suspension. Wow. The suspension. Nice and tight. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a blast with this. It looks awesome. I'm in love already. This beautiful pipe. Dragon AC hot. Let's see where this piston is from factory. Let's see. Let me see if I can spin it from here. It's down, but it's like almost at the top. So let's put it right on the top. There it is. As long as it's not on the compression spot. I'm not sure how to say that in English, but beautiful. Look at that. 2-speed, baby. Oh my God, this feels so good. Look at this beautiful engine. Serpent world. Wow, look at that. World champion Serpent. Let's see what it says over there. This is Serpent R21. Yeah, Serpent R21. Everything looks good on it. I like this little sticker or whatever that is. It's got a piece of plastic disc. It's just a piece of plastic. I'm gonna have to replace that, but hey, for ready to run, can't be beat. Still looks great. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for unboxing of this is my birthday gift for myself, Serpent SRX 8 GT. I'll be breaking this in this weekend, so maybe like 3 or 4 days I'll be breaking it in. Ooh, let's go. Nitro in the house. Tell me what you guys think about this beautiful Serpent. All right guys.